Mille RM1103 automatic flyback chronograph watch. Caliber RM AC3 skeletonized automatic movement with hours, minutes, seconds, flyback chronograph 60 minutes, countdown timer at 9 o'clock. 12 hours totalizes oversized date, month indicators, and variable geometry rotor. Case of the RM1103 McLaren is made up of carbon TPT interlaced with orange quartz TPT, resulting in an extremely resistant and lightweight case that pays tribute to an emblematic McLaren color. The carbon TPT enhances the mechanical performance of RM1103, offers resistance to harsh environment. Under the bonnet of the RM1103 beats the automatic RMAC3 titanium caliber with a flyback chronograph that is ready to race on the track, powered by the two barrels mounted in parallel and a balance wheel with variable inertia. The movement has a 55 hours power reservoir. Barrel ring is ensured by a variable geometry rotor that enables personalized winding adjusted to the wearer's activity level. Further evidence of Richard Mille's characteristic attention to detail.